scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Production in the long run is a classic economics concept that you can master quickly. Let's break down the definitions to find the right answer right now. In microeconomics, the long run is defined as a conceptual time period where a firm has enough time to change every single input it uses for its production process. Therefore, there are no fixed costs or factors remaining when we look at this extended timeline. This means all factors of production are variable, making option D the correct choice.